be doing a Birkenstock review of some sandals. This is the first time I own a pair of Birkenstock, and I'm so excited to try them out and see. I usually always had the imitation ones, and eventually they always wind up hurting me and not being comfortable. So I want to see what it's raved about because I know they are pricey. So I said I'm going to treat myself and I'm going to try it this time. So let's see how. Alright, the Birkenstock box. I'm going to open it. Comes all nice and packaging. Oh, I see it should have a shoe measurement here. Opening them out, taking them out. My favorite color, mustard. All right, then they come like this. They're not snapped together, but I'm going to fix that. And we'll see. So these are my Birkenstock first pair. Looking all awesome. So I'm going to put them on. Let's see if they fit. I gotta snap it in. See? Nice. Oh, I gotta do my toes.
See? Oh, wow. Okay. Looking nice, comfy. You don't know until I wear them. I'm not outside working. Okay. I do my toesy toes.
Okay guys, I'm outside walking, continuing this review for these Birkenstock. Absolutely wonderful and comfortable. However, the only thing, my problem is on my feet. I'll show you right here. Hurts. They're comfortable, love them. And that's it. That's only because it's new, so I have to break it in. Okay? Oh, forgot I had the mask on. Only because it's new and I have to break it in. And that's it for my Birkenstock review. Okay guys, bye-bye. Thank you for watching guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jan, just being creative. Bye-bye.